The Volkswagen Tiguan is a design of its own. A bold character line runs from front to back, conveying chiseled strength, while hood contours deliver a memorable statement up front. Even with all the stylish touches and enjoyable amenities, there's still plenty of headroom, legroom, and elbow room for everyone to travel in style. The interior of the Tiguan is designed to make you feel comfortable and taken care of, especially when you fill it with available amenities, like leather seating surfaces and a heated steering wheel. Comfortable doesn't mean dull. Smooth and responsive on paved roads, the Tiguan remains commanding and confident even if the road surface becomes more challenging. Visit us today for more information on the all-new Volkswagen Tiguan.